Chairman of SVREL, Solomon Sharpe, says if stakeholders at Caymanas Park get their wish for the government to freeze the import duty on horses for at least 5 years, it will not only help to grow the local horse racing industry, but also the Jamaican economy. More in this report.
Speaking at a recent press conference where SVREL signed a deal with Australian company BetMakers, Solomon Sharpe said Caymanas Park has never been given the opportunity to show its true potential.
We're saying to the government, you need to open up, you need to allow our industry to grow. You have never given our industry a chance to grow. Consecutive governments, not being political, but consecutive governments has never given this industry an opportunity to grow. And we want at SVREL and Caymanas Park to take brand Jamaica and to help rebuild the Jamaican economy. So if we get the requisite help from the government, and we're going to move probably what is about a $7 billion industry in this country to being a $15 billion industry.
Two-time champion trainer Anthony Nunez believes if the current government sees plans afoot to grow the industry and the economy, it will step up to the plate and help the horsemen in their push to do away with import duties on horses.
If we can show them, when I say we, the stakeholders, SVREL, JRC, can show Minister Clark what is going to be beneficial for Jamaica, the Jamaican economy, Jamaica itself, and the horse racing industry in particular. I think if we can show him how profitable it's going to be, how sustainable it's going to be over the next 30 years, 40 years, he's a very bright man. I certainly expect that he will work with these entire groups to make it work.
Meanwhile, President of the United Racehorse Trainers Association, Ryan Darby, is lauding SVREL for its quarterly incentive program that was introduced in 2020.
So it's a good motivational move for trainers who are competing for the prize, and it keeps you sharp and motivated. And it's a very good incentive at the end of the 3 months to look forward to.
Darby is also welcoming the news that a new trainers' stand will be built under the 5-year agreement signed with BetMakers. However, he says there are also other pressing matters at hand.
The most important thing, I will say though, Denise, for trainers and to keep the game moving forward will be purse increases and more incentives for the owners and the trainers. Purses are a little bit low compared to the cost to maintain the horses. So we'll look forward to discussing the future.
Sharpe says once the plans in place are generating the revenues needed, purses will become more attractive.
You know, when these kind of funds come in, this is the kind of funds that we're going to really use and grow the business and get owners more excited in our product when we can offer some bigger purses and some, bigger and better purses. And as I said, streamline the whole racing operation.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.